Hello, I'm DAZ Lewis, and today, on the last day of 2018, I thought I'm going to tell you a little bit about the plans that I have kind of in my mind going forward as to what's going to happen on this channel in 2019. So one of the things I've been experimenting with over the last few days was live streams, and I've been thinking about this for a while, and it's not really I haven't just been ready for that yet, but I think 2019 is a great way to start this, and I want to do two types of live streams. So one will be like a weekly scheduled event. I'm thinking about Friday 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll be 5 p.m. in Germany, I believe, or 4 p.m. in the UK, 5 p.m. in Germany, and about 2 a.m. in Australia, Sydney time. So that means everyone can kind of join in there. And it'll be an hour or two about creative software. So pretty much like what I've been doing now as pre-records will be happening live on my channel. So you guys can interact with me, you can ask me questions, and you can get answers. So that's one thing I'm planning. The other thing I'm planning is more live streaming in addition to all the other videos, and that will be about video games. So I'm not a big gamer, I'm more like a casual gamer, but playing video games is something that I do in my spare time, and it'll be more ad hoc, it'll be kind of unscheduled. I'll tell you about this on the YouTube community tab. So if you head over to my channel, head over to the community tab, and then I'll give you about an hour, half an hour notice when I go live and play a game for an hour or two. And once again, this is about live interaction. If you have any questions about anything, do ask me and I can get back to you. And at the same time, we can examine how the game developers made the game. So we're going to look at textures, and we look at modeling, and we look at basically the final product. And rather than just playing the game, we're going to have an in-depth look at how they may have put these things together. So aside from that, there'll be more DAZ Studio tutorials, more Photoshop tips, more of the good stuff, more reviews, more of pretty much anything. But that is how I envision 2019 to go. I hope you and your families have a wonderful time. Thank you so much for your support over the last years. I can't imagine what my life would be without YouTube at this point. Currently, at the time that I'm making this video, I have nearly 4,200 subscribers. That is something I had never imagined. So that is definitely something I want to grow, and I love it if you guys could be part of it. Have a wonderful, fantastic, fruitful, phenomenal 2019, and I will see you many more times. Take care.